Okay. Do you want to go over the conversion API again? That was pretty much the only thing that I feel like I need to go over again.
Sure. So let me control your screen. So from all tools option, we need to go to events manager. Okay. So here, how we can do that? So first of all, you can see for the pixel data, the leads is also started appearing here. So page view and with the leads is also started appearing here now.
Okay.
Okay. So only for testing purpose, I can create another pixel, but it will create another pixel. So if you are fine with that, we can create another pixel here.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. So connect a data source, and then we need to select the web option from here and click on connect. So we can put as a backup pixel here. So it's the name and create. Then the website one, we need to put the website here. So from here, we have selected the meta pixel and conversion API from here and clicked on
Mm,
the next button. So remember, it asks for setup with partner integration or setup with conversion API gateway or setup manually. We selected this option because your website was on WordPress. So we selected this option with the partner integration. Your
mm,
website was on WordPress. So these were the instructions for that one. We installed that plugin and then we did all these things. You connected your Facebook with that one. Then we can send the test traffic there.
okay.
That's already done after some minutes, so it will be also be good. So again, the setup events, we have already set up the events in the 2 days session and then the confirmation. So in that way,
Okay.
it will automatically add over conversion API. And the remaining
So
settings we have already done in the WordPress
yeah, so how do you
dashboard.
do all the tracking for like people who opted out of tracking? Like how do you set that stuff up?
So that's already set up based on the Facebook's suggestions, the suggested part from the Facebook, and we have already set up through the conversion API. So what we need to do, so from these meta settings, we already done that. Remember when we add these things, so there are the steps that we need to comply those things and share the maximum data with the Facebook and all those type of the thing. So those
Okay.
are all fine. So with this partner integration, basically Facebook will do all the things automatically.
Okay. So can you just go over how does this tracking work on people? Like how much data can you track on people who opted out of tracking?
Sorry, how much data?
Yeah, so like how much can you track from people who opted out of tracking?
No, no, again, that's the Facebook capacity. We cannot do that. So Facebook, like you can say right now at this point, 60 to 70% capacity Facebook working on tracking that data through the server side trackings and the conversion API.
Yeah, yeah, so like how much I guess like what things do you not track from people who opt out of tracking?
There are the multiple things. Previously, Facebook, so let me add what was the first response from the Facebook for the conversion tracking. So the first response for the conversion tracking was basically, let me add the things here. So when this thing happened, so what Facebook suggests, so Facebook suggesting first of all, verify your domain with Facebook, and Facebook provided some of the like verification code that we need to add over website. Then we need to add pixel to website. Then we need to add events to that one and prioritize those events. So we need to prioritize the event, like what is the basically you can say the main thing that we need to track. Like the lead option for your business or for e-commerce, the purchase option is the the main thing that we need to track. So we can
Mm.
add at that time 8 maximum events in our basically the pages. So this was the first Facebook reaction. And then they introduced the conversion API. And with the conversion API, Facebook doing all those stuff from their own side, and they are seeing what is basically the prioritized event based on that, and then they are selecting like this is the main event that they need to care about.
So basically, Facebook will decide like what's the main event that needs to be tracked.
Yes.
Okay.